Guys, bet na bet kapag nagla-live ako, gusto ko may kinakain akong fruits kasi healthy yun. Mm. Healthy ang fruits, guys. Even it's sweets. Fine, thank you for asking. Where are you? Where are you now? What time now there? What is the time there? I have so many friends living in South Africa. They're all they're all good. Thank you for joining in my life. Thank you so much. Hello po. Thank you so much guys for joining Hello sa aking 2 viewers. Hello po. God bless you. Nazima. Ayalil said, it was my grandson's birthday. He is 8 years old today. I don't have nothing to give him. He is in a wheelchair. It's okay. It's okay. The best gift that you can give to to him is hug and love. You can the love is the greatest gift of all. Okay? Don't get sad. Don't get sad. It's okay. It's very, very okay. You know what? Um, if you love someone, you really have to uh, hug or say something saying I love you, happy birthday. It's enough. It was so great having a life, having a life. Even he's in a wheelchair, living in a wheelchair with a wheelchair, rather. It's okay. We have so many. We are the human being. We're only a human being. Each, every one of us has their own uh, problems or challenges every day. But the best thing to do is uh, live with courage, live with your loved ones, and just accept what's going on. Just accept it. It's okay. It's okay to live with a person like that. Thanks so much. That is so true. Yeah. You know what, guys? Not only you, not only you, but me also. I have a brother who's suffering tuberculosis, and I have a brother suffering with that. Uh, uh, he's sick. He's sick, but it's okay. Life must go on. Life is too short. Don't waste it. Just go with the flow. Me also. I'm just doing my life, going with the flow, and most of the time, hello, Mohit and Gamer at Gamer. Most of the time, I am doing something new every day. I'm just enjoying my life. Life is too short. Enjoy life. You know what, guys?